Anyways, guys, good afternoon sa lahat and I just wanna share something for y'all. Gusto ko lang kumustahin kayo at the same time um paano ba? Just checking up on you guys because it's been a while since nag-live ako dito sa Facebook and then just feeling everything and then parang gusto ko lang i-share of what I've been through for the past couple of days or for the past week, and I want you to know that it's getting back and it's I'm recovering from these things kasi alam niyo yun, parang I want to share this because hindi dahil I just want to share this because maybe some of you are feeling this the same way. Pareho tayo na nararamdaman. So, for the past couple of days and weeks, parang there's a big realization and lesson for my life. And alam mo yun na it's like when you spread a lot of things, it consumes a lot of things in you. And then it came to a point na parang I'm kumbaga dependent on what other people saying to me, like do this, do that, like the fans and whatsoever or whoever man, parang sinasabi na ganito, ito gawin mo, and then I was just being reminded, like when everything started, like I just don't give a poop with other people say about me, na parang I just want my heart to, alam mo yun, to go out with my challenges and with my videos and in my live. So, alam mo yun, parang for the past couple of weeks, parang I don't understand what's happening. It's like, ito yung sinasabi ko na when God blesses you a lot of things, there are some things na parang ito-tone down niya for you to realize some things, of course. Kumbaga, like for example, if blessings are really in front of me, and then alam mo yun, and I believe these blessings are the fruit of all the sacrifices and all the hard work and dedication that I put for the past 8 years since I started in Manila. So alam mo yun, parang by the time na dumating ako sa punto na to, instead of celebrating, I worked more, alam mo yun, mas tinodo ko pa to a point na it consumed me. So you need to understand, and I realized and God taught me some things na kumbaga dumating ako sa finish line na kung ano yung pinagdasal ko for the past 8 years. And then by the time came na nandito na ako sa finish line na to, ganyan. So instead of celebrating here, I worked more to a point that nalagpasan ko na yung na mag-celebrate dito sa part na to. And then let's say for example, I'm a cell phone, all right? Wait lang kasi lobat siya. I just wanna let you know that I'm happy, guys. And alam mo yun. So parang wait. Yeah. Alright. I just wanna let you know that I'm happy now and I'm I'm recovering from a lot of things. And then yun, dumating ka sa point na nalagpasan mo na yun. Kung cellphone ka, alam mo, para nasa 95% consumed battery na ako. And then, parang 5% na lang yung natitira. So, for me to finish this task or yung goal ko for the past 8 years, it consumed 95% of my battery life. So, nung dumating ako dito sa part na to, okay, 5% na lang yung natitira. And then, not knowing yung 5% na yun, tinodo ko pa yung 5% na yun. Alam niyo yun, parang, kasi meron kang mindset na, okay, nandito ka na sa point na to, wala kang karapatang mapagod, di ba? Kasi nandito ka na nandito ka sa point na you need to do more, right? Yun yung sinasabi ko parati, do more, dream more, love more. So, nandun ka na. Pero you need to understand that you're on a certain point na 5% ka na lang eh. So, for the past days and for the past weeks, I know I'm mentally drained and exhausted. Alam niyo yun? It's not because of what's happening to me right now, but it's because of what happened to me for the past 8 years na dumating sa punto na to. So yun, parang God taught me na wait, you need to relax. You need to stop yourself from listening to other people's alam mo yun, expectation towards you, because I gave this to you. I gave this to you not because para pakinggan mo yung expectation nila. I gave this to you for you to release more and for you to do more of what's inside your heart. So yun, parang I'm parang na-remind ako na, alright, so why would I do a lot of things na gusto nilang gawin ko? Diba? Parang, if I believe that these songs or this kind of song will alam mo yun, will give them a little bit of nostalgic na pakiramdam, yung mga ganun. Kasi gusto ko yun eh. And then, especially yung ginawa ko ng challenge ngayon, like from Diana Ross. That's from 1980s, right? And the younger people right now, or the generation right now, hindi na nila alam yung ganung music eh. Diba? So for me, I'm really excited to let them feel the soul from before. Right? So yan lang, parang kaya din ako natagalan mag-upload ng vlog and medyo mabagal yung pag-upload ko ng challenges. It's because I'm finding myself. Alright? I'm finding myself. And hindi naman siya hindi siya negative. Why? Because a lot of us, we need to find ourselves, right? And then the point is, pareho lang tayo ng nararamdaman. For some people na hinahanap yung pera, for some people na hinahanap yung ganito sa buhay nila, 'di ba? Meron silang bigat. For people like me, okay, I have these things, but I don't have this thing that meron dito sa taong to. So balance lang tayo. Alam mo 'yun? So, 'yun lang, parang I decided na, okay, I need to go back from who I am. If I don't wear glasses, I don't want to wear glasses. If I wear glasses, I will wear glasses. But I don't do it to please another people or for another people. No. It's just that I feel like I don't want to wear glasses now. I feel like I want to use glasses now. I feel like I want to do 90s now. I feel like I want to do 80s now. I feel like I want to do the music today. So alam niyo yun, parang everything will depend on my mood. Kumbaga parang I cut the bullshit of listening to another people, like do this, do that, do this, and do that. Because if people will love you, right? And then the point is, I don't want to do this so that people will love me. My point is, I will do this because this is my heart. This is for you guys. This is the positivity that I have inside. So I need to keep that positivity going and rolling and rolling and rolling, right? So yun lang. And then, I'm happy now. My soul is happy now. I believe my soul is happy now because imagine that song, and then because before I was like thinking, because I already thought of that song na parang 2 weeks ago na parang gawin ko kaya to, pero baka hindi makarelate yung tao. Pero parang kinaltokan ako ni God na parang, hello, yun nga yung point mo eh. Magbigay ka ng panibagong pakiramdam eh. Another people will say, gawin mo tong ganitong klaseng vlog because ito yung in na vlog. But for me, ever since before, even from Rockstars, Rockwell, they taught me that we need to set trend. We need to, alam mo yun, we need to do something fresh. So, for my vlogs, I want to maintain it like this way. Like, if you go to my channel, it's because ito yung mga videos on my channel. But if you don't like my channel, then it's okay for me. I don't pressure myself from that kind of mindset, diba? Kasi, honestly guys, when I put the videos sa YouTube ko, yun na yun. Hindi ko tinitignan yung views. Why? Because my point is not to get money from that. My point is just to release something positively, right? So, yun, parang, it's getting back. It's getting back to normal. And I want to dedicate this live for the people who really supported me. Thank you for this one. This is for you guys. I really appreciate it. And sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe ng YouTube ko, I'm really grateful for you guys. Like, you guys are gold to me. You guys are inspiration to me. This is just an award for me. Like, this is just a trophy, right? But the real gold is you guys. Kayo talaga yung pinaka-achievement, right? To those people that, alam mo yun, they find time to scroll, they find time to watch my videos. You are the gold, not this one, right? Ito bagay lang to, but it's a reminder, right? But for me, what's important is yung mga napapasaya na tao, yung mga taong patuloy na sumusuporta, yung mga taong they go beyond kung ano yung pinapakita ko. Yung mga taong malalalim na parang hindi lang nila tinitignan kung ano yung surface na ginagawa ko, but on the beyond that surface, yung mga taong yun yung pinaka gold talaga para sa akin. And I thank you for that. I'm grateful for those people, and thank you for staying true. Thank you for keeping it real. Thank you for all the inspiration and love that you always give to me for the past months and days and weeks. And alam niyo yun, you guys are the gold, not this one. This one is just an award, right? Again, this one is just alam mo yun, parang, it's just for people, for another vloggers, maybe for them, this is really something. For me, this is something. But, you guys are better than this. You guys are bigger than this. Right? You guys, the point na, or the fact that you guys are watching the videos, kayo talaga yung pinaka-gold. Hindi to, tingnan nyo, nag-gold yung mukha ko. Anyway, mas maganda siguro to pag ganito. Gets nyo, parang tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. If you guys, just keep it real. If you guys don't want to follow, if you guys don't want to subscribe, it's okay. I'm okay with that. But don't release negativity. Don't release pressure. Don't release anything, right? Just be true to who you want to be. Understand? Kumbaga parang, like, hindi lang siya para sa akin. Like, for other people, for other influencers too. If you don't want them, then just block them, right? Kumbaga parang, wag ka nalang mag-release ng negativity. Anyway, hindi naman natin mapipigilan yun. And, ano pa ba? Yun, siguro, yun. And again, this award is for you guys, not for me. But it's a reminder for me that I'm doing good. I'm doing great, and I'm happy that I'm surrounded with the right people around me. I'm being guided by the right people around me, and I'm blessed with fans that are, thank you for this one. I'm blessed with fans that are really loving. I'm blessed with fans that are really caring. I'm blessed with my team, Rockwell, FSD, for being so thoughtful and everything. You guys are the gold for me, alright? Thank you so much for all the love. The love that you always give and show to me. And then you guys just quit I don't want to bother on expectations, because expectations really, alam mo yan, really down. Sorry, may tumawag. So, yun, parang tuloy-tuloy lang. If there are challenge, if meron akong ginagawang challenge, it's not that I'm referring to people, it's not that I'm listening to people. There are some challenges na ganun, pero but for now, I decided, like, I want to make challenges because this is what I have inside. I want to make a video because this is what I have inside. I mean, and then, ano pa ba? So, guys, just a quick share. Imagine nyo yung I'm Coming Out, di ba? Pagkalabas nyo ng bahay, tapos yun yung soundtrack mo, ang sarap mabuhay, di ba? Yun, and then I'm thinking of having a live session. Iniisip ko like a Zoom session, and then having a guest that i-invite ko yung right person to help me inspire people, right? Kasi importante ngayon, guys, pinaka-importante ngayon sa buong mundo is mental health, right? Always protect your mental health. Kasi even sa akin, na maganda yung mga nangyayari sa buhay ko and everything, hindi pa rin ako excuse eh. Kumbaga, vulnerable pa rin ako sa ganyong klaseng atake, right? Because this is life, right? We need to always guard our mind. We always need to guard our mentality and everything. So, for you guys, always keep that mentality na positive, as in sa inyo na nagsasabi na you guys are grateful because every time nakikita nyo yung dance challenge, medyo nawawala yung negative nyo, nawawala yung bad trip nyo sa buhay. Thank you for that, because that is really the essence. That's really the purpose of why I'm doing this challenge. Na kahit man lang a single 1 minute of your life, a single 1 minute of watching my challenge, makaka-apekto sa buong araw mo man, right? Or a simple 1 minute of your life, makaka-change ng mood mo. Something like that. Yun yung pinaka-main goal ko. Why I always continue spreading this. Why I always continue, alam mo yun, gawa ng challenge. And then a lot of people will say, paulit-ulit yung step. O ano naman kung paulit-ulit yung step? Gumawa ka nga ng choreography? De, joke lang. Ano naman kung paulit-ulit yung step? The point is, it's not about the choreography. It's about the feeling. It's about the soul. It's all about the intention. So for me, those guys need so much love. So I just want to give. So kung may mga taong ganun, itotodo ko pa yung pag-ulit ng choreography hanggang sa mag-sink in sa inyo yung pagmamahal dun sa choreography na yun. Right? So yun lang. Again, you guys are the real gold. And shoutouts to all the fans club that's really supporting, and shoutouts to all the groups or kung ano man, from Twitter to IG to Facebook. You guys are my push. You guys are my inspiration. You guys are my blessings. And let's be a blessing to each other. Right? Let's be a blessing to each other. And we quit the expectation. We cut the expectations because we don't put expectation to people, right? Kasi when we put expectation to people, that's the time that we are giving them certain limitations and everything. So we don't do it, right? We just let them be who they are, right? And then para sa lahat ng mga tao na nagsasabing gawan ko yung track ni Kim Chiu, sorry. I'm an artist, she's an artist, and that track is cool because my beat and whatsoever, but hindi nakita ko yung interview na yun, and lahat tayo nagkakamali, guys, and it's a live interview, right? And then we don't know kung ano yung laman ng puso niya while saying that. We can't judge that person. It's because of kung ano nangyari sa kanya on that live. I don't have any wala akong say when it comes to kung certain issues, but for me, I don't want to make a choreography just to make fun or alam mo yung pagkatuwaan yung pagkakamali ng ibang tao, and that's not me. Hell no. Hindi ko yung gagawin. Then it's not cool. It's not cool. But for other people it's cool, but for me I'm beyond that. I don't want to do it. Alam mo yun, parang imagine if Kim Chiu will see it and then I did that, and then I will just say katuwaan lang naman to. What if ako yung nagkamali, and then a lot of people will do that to me. Right? So yun, respeto sa kapwa artist lang yun. So I don't want to do it, and it's not cool, it's not the right thing to do. So for me, it's a no, right? So bahala na kayo sa Kim Chiu Dance Challenge na yan. Enough na yung I'm coming out. Kasi ganun din naman, di ba? Ano yung pangalan ng challenge? Pwede nang lumabas something, nakita ko yun. So why would I do that? I'll do it in my way. I'll do it in my way na mas walang matatapakan na pakiramdam. Right? So, pwede na lumabas or I'm coming out. This is my stand. Ito yung stand ko. I'm coming out. Same purpose, but walang matatapakan na tao, walang masasaktan na tao. Right? So, yun lang. Kapwa artist, it's a respect, and then for people, for the people that's watching now, for the youngins that's watching right now, guys, this is the perfect time again to plan things ahead. This is the time again to sharpen your skills. This is the time to bond with your family completely. And then this is the time where you need to learn and need to adapt, and then cut the bullshit of expecting na ganit na mangyayari kung anong gusto mong mangyari when it comes to, kasi it's happening in the world right now, right? All we need to do is be smart, adapt, and imagine the people before without the buildings on the agricultural revolution, without the buildings, of course, against sila, right? When it comes to magpapatayan ng mga buildings or i-urbanize yung isang lugar. But when they adapted the change, then that's the time nagkakaroon tayo ng mga buildings. And that's why we have this industrial system or nangyayari sa mundo natin, di ba? It's because they adapted change. It's the same thing. On the 80s era and 90s era, they have a different music. But when it comes to ngayon, nag-iba na ng type ng tao kasi nag-iiba naman talaga, nag-i-evolve yung type ng tao. So, we're on an evolution era. So, we need to be smart. We need to get what are the things that kailangan i-sink in sa sistema natin. We need to be smart by filtering out the negativity or the toxic things that's gonna go inside us because it's gonna affect us, right? So, if I were you, unfollow those people who are bullshit. Unfollow the people in your Facebook that alam mo yun, protect your mental health because everyone is really alam mo yun, naghihirap. It's because affected yung system nila on what they see on social media. So for me, I protect myself and you guys should protect yourselves too. And alam mo yun, let's be smart in filtering out the information that goes inside our system, right? And then let's be open to change. We'll never know. The people who are really open to change, these are the people right now who are on the process of doing a lot of things to, alam mo yun, to maybe to make money or maybe to enjoy what they have right now because they are already accepting the change that's happening right now. And it's not only happening in Philippines. These are happening in the world right now. So let's be open and then let's filter, let's be smart. This is the time when you read a lot of books for the mga katulad ko na edad, 21. So this is the perfect time to read a lot of books, to watch a lot of informational videos, to watch a lot of awareness videos, to cut your shit from those fake news, to cut yourself from those mainstream medias that's spreading a lot of fake news and everything. This is your time to shine, to fill your heads with the right things that will equip you for the upcoming days, right? So just do it. Don't pressure yourself. One step at a time. Day by day, iba, you're learning the skill, sharpening the skill, and the next time, adopt another skill, sharpen up that skill, and the next time, adopt that skill, sharpen up that skill. Repeat, and imagine, after the quarantine, anong klaseng tao ka na? Anong klaseng character na yung meron ka? Anong klaseng attitude meron ka na? And imagine if all people that's watching right now are doing it, or if they will do it, imagine if they will do it, gano'n siguro kasarap yung mundo tirhan, di ba? And this is the perfect time for you to be close to God, right? Because for me, even if, sorry, okay, 8%, tapusin lang natin to. This is the perfect time where you need to have a close, perfect relationship to God. Why? Because lalo na kung inaatake masyado yung mental health natin, of course, God is there always, 24/7. Kung meron mang mas lagpas pa sa 24/7, God will always be there to remind you, to show you that, alam mo yun, you can surrender a lot of worry and all your weary and kung ano pa yan, kung anong negative fear and everything, just surrender it to Him and then He will do the rest. It's just faith. It's just 100% faith. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? Or kung gusto mong higitan pa yung faith mo, so be it, right? But this is your perfect time to be close to God, to be close to your family, to plan things ahead, to sharpen things ahead, to adapt, and then to embrace the change that's happening and be positive all the time. Right? So yun lang. I declare blessings upon blessings to all the people who's watching right now. I pray to God that God will grant all your heart's desires according to His plan and will. And I pray that, everything that's happening right now will end soon. Or kung isang snap ni God, tapusin na niya lahat ng nangyayaring to. And imagine, I have one question for you before I'll end this live. Imagine, if God will snap and then tomorrow there's no virus, sino yung pinakahanda sa inyo na harapin yung panibagong paglabas ng bahay? Sinong pinaka-equipped sa inyo na when there's no virus tomorrow, sino yung pinakahandang tumanggap ng blessing? Sino yung pinaka-deserving tumanggap ng blessing? Right? So, if I were you, I'll cut down the bullshit. I'll change my thinking. I'll wake up a day with a lot of purpose and a lot of intentions, great intentions, and I will use this time to be really, really, really a dreamer. The more we dream, the more we set goals, the more we are fired up to wake up every day, right? So, I'm just going back to who I am. I started with this. I started with challenges. I started with inspiring people. So this is for you guys, and this is what I have inside. So please, if you guys if you guys want to protect your mental health, cut the bullshit, right? Surrender everything to God, and then every day, just pray and pray and pray, and do the hard things. Do the hard work. Alam mo yun, hindi naman kung hindi magiging adobo yan kung hindi mo lulutuin yan. Hindi magiging sinigang yan kung hindi mo lulutuin yan. Hindi magiging masarap na gulay yan kung hindi mautak yung pagkaluto mo dyan. Hindi dapat i-overcook, hindi dapat alam mo yun, masyadong hilaw. Tamang-tama. Find that balance in your life. I'm finding the balance in my life. You guys are finding the balance in your life. This one is for you. So please, use this opportunity. This is for you. Everything is equal right now. It's up to you how you're gonna be smart and how you're gonna be faithful on what's happening in you right now. Right? So, once again, this is DJ Lunyo from Rocco PH. Again, thank you so much for this award. Again, you guys are the gold. And thank you for watching, for all the 14,000 people that's watching right now live. Hindi bumitaw since nag-open ako ng live. Sana marami kayong nasagap na positibo. And I pray that you guys will alam mo yun, God will help you with all your worry and kahit hindi mo i-pray, si God parating andyan yan. So alam mo yun, kahit hindi mo tawagin yung pangalan yan, He's always there to support you. Alam mo, kung meron na mo problema sa pagkain ngayon, guys, come to think of it, kahit nga mga langgam nabibigyan ni God ng pagkain. Kahit nga mga ibon, nabibigyan ni God ng pagkain, di ba? Kahit nga yung mga street na mga dogs, nabibigyan ni God ng pagkain. Ikaw pa kaya na mahal niya? Ikaw pa kaya na nag-sacrifice siya para sa'yo? So please, I'm not talking about here on religions. I'm just talking about facts. I'm just talking about what I believe. Right? So, if you guys are not eating for 1 day or 2 days or something, right? So, maybe God is just pushing you to do more, right? Because all the blessings, all the resources are in front of you already. You just need to be smart about it. You just need to change your perspective, right? So please, right? Kung inaalagaan ni God yung pinakamaliit na buhay dito sa buong mundo, how much more na ikaw yung nakatira talaga dito sa mundong to. Isa ka sa pinaka-major na nagko-consume ng resources dito sa mundo. Right? So that's it. Once again, this is DJ Lunyo from Rocco Page in FST China. Positivity, love, do more, dream more, love more. Peace!